Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. The topic for today is how to name binary molecular compounds. In the previous presentation, we had looked at how to name ionic compounds. So in our first example, we are given N2O4. Right, this is a molecular compound because we have two nonmetals. How do we know these are nonmetals? So if you do not know that, we would refer you to our first presentation where we are talking about the periodic table. So these nonmetals, normally there you find them in the upper right corner in the periodic table. So this is our first example. So we have two nonmetals. So we're going to change the suffix of the second one to IDE. The first metal will keep its normal original name, like N is nitrogen, so we'll use the name nitrogen. But oxygen, we're going to change the ending to IDE. So we're going to use prefixes to name both of them because we have N2 and O4. So for the prefix 2, it should be named di, and the prefix 4, the word for it is tetra. So therefore, the name for this compound here is dinitrogen tetroxide. Right? So nitrogen keep its name, but we use prefix for it because we have two of them. We say dinitrogen. Oxygen, we have four oxygen, we say tetroxide. Number two, example number two, we have NCl3. These are both nonmetals. The first nonmetal will keep its original name, and the second one will change the ending or suffix to IDE. So we're going to use prefix only for chlorine because we have three chlorine. Nitrogen, because it's the first nonmetal, we do not use the prefix mano for it. We can use prefix mano for the second nonmetal, but the first nonmetal never received the prefix mano. Okay, so the prefix mano, which is for one, we're not going to use that for nitrogen, but we're going to use tri for chlorine. So the name for this compound here would be nitrogen trichloride because we have three chlorine, so we use the prefix trichloride. Again, we do not use the prefix mano for the first element. Example number three, CO. Right, these are both nonmetals. The first one will keep its normal name, and the second one, oxygen, will change the suffix or the ending to IDE. Right, we use prefix only for oxygen because we have one oxygen, it's the second one, but carbon, which is the first nonmethyl, we do not use the prefix mano for it. So we have one oxygen, the prefix should be mano. So therefore, the name for this compound here is carbon monoxide, mano for one. This is the end of our presentation. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and use the comment section to let us know if you had found the presentation to be useful. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.